It's another beautiful day in North Idaho at Coeur d'Alene Aviation. We've got a 2012 Vans RV12 behind me. Gonna take it up for a demo flight. Come along for the ride.
Coeur d'Alene traffic, back 1327 November, midfield, left downwind 20, full stop Coeur d'Alene. Coeur d'Alene traffic, RV12 Delta is taxiing Alpha South to 202 run up here.
So we're in, this is a 2012 Vans RV12. It's the experimental category, not the new IS, which is the certified aircraft. This aircraft, we helped the owner buy it a few months back, and then when he got it home, his family decided they wanted to fly with him a little bit more, so we're going to get this one out on the market. For sale. I want to take everybody along for the ride. This is the light sport category, so it's a 1,320 pound gross weight. This particular one has 560 pounds useful load. You can see the builder on it did an excellent job. The Dynon Skyview, it's got the Dynon autopilot. Just a very nicely put together aircraft. My first time flying one, but Major in the right seat here, he's got about 33 hours in one of our clients' aircraft. We actually just ordered two of these for the flight school. They're
5 miles north.
220, excuse me, they're 2025 Vans RV12 ISTs, so they're going to be similar looking airplane, but with the dual Garmin G3X, GTN 650, and the GFC 500 autopilot. So. Very impressed with this aircraft. If you haven't seen our videos on our Technums, I would put the performance very similar. Right now we're doing 100, actually truing out at 119 knots. So this thing performed pretty well. Very similar to what our Technums are. As we can see here, we're getting 5.1 gallons per hour. True airspeed of 117, ground speed of 105. So that's an impressive amount of performance for an aircraft like this. Very fun aircraft to fly. Just very, very nimble. Dynon Skyview, we've got our engine instrumentation, manifold pressure, tachometer or Hobbs, obviously gallons per hour, oil PSI, oil temperature. Battery volts are full. These actually have spar pin. You can fold the wings back or remove the wings on these. Got a green light here, and then this red button shows that. Battery amps, and then we've got cylinder head temperature left and right, exhaust gas temperature left and right, trim. Of course, the map and thing. Pretty nice little setup here for experimental aircraft. And of course, it's got the Skyview autopilot over here as well. Getting a message that trim servo and pitch servo are offline, and I don't really mess with that right now. We are now 4,600 feet over the lake. We're showing a crosswind of 5 knots, but ground speed of 120 knots. True air speed of 100, true air speed, true ground speed of the same. Burning 5 gallons an hour. A lot of performance for something like that. I know that on my intro I always say it's another beautiful day in North Idaho at Coeur d'Alene Aviation, but this is one of those days where our summers are absolutely amazing, but our winters are just awesome, especially for flying right now. Cold, dense air, aircraft is performing very well, super smooth, no wind. So this is what we call another beautiful day in North Idaho. Coeur d'Alene area traffic. Experimental 605 Delta is 7 to the south, 4,300 feet inbound. We'll be entering over Peyton Lake, then a 45-degree entry to downwind for 02 Coeur d'Alene.
Thanks for coming along for a ride in the Vans RV12. For more information on this aircraft, please visit our website at flycoe.com. Click on Aircraft for Sale. If you like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.